Learning Chinese measure words, side-by-side English versus Chinese guide. The core logic of Chinese measure words is to paint a picture of the noun. They describe an object's shape, category, or state. In English, we often just use a number or indefinite article. For example, number, 1, ge, logic is that. The most universal and safe wildcard measure word. Used for people or things without a specific measure word. When in doubt, using this one is usually acceptable. Let's English comparison.
一个人 a person, 一个苹果 an apple, 一个想法 an idea.
Number 2, zhi. Logic is that, used for single, independent creatures or objects, especially animals, birds, insects, and also for one item of a pair. Let's see English comparison.
一只猫 a cat, 一只鸟 a bird, 一只手 a hand.
Number 3, tiáo. Logic is that, used for long, narrow objects that can typically bend or extend. Let's see English comparison. 一条鱼 a fish.
一条路 a road. 一条裤子 a pair of pants. Number 4, zhāng. Logic is that, used for flat objects that can be spread out. Let's see English comparison. 一张纸 a piece of paper. 一张桌子 a table. 一张票 a ticket. Number 5, liàng. Logic is that, reserved specifically for wheeled vehicles. Let's see English comparison. 一辆汽车 a car. 一辆自行车 a bicycle. Number 6,本. Logic is that, used for bound, book-like items. Let's see English comparison. 一本书 a book. 一本杂志 a magazine. Number 7, 杯. Logic is that, used for drinks contained in a cup or glass. This logic is similar to the English a cup of. Let's see English comparison. 一杯水 a cup of water. 一杯茶 a cup of tea.
Number 8, kuài.
Logic is that, used for chunk-like or piece-like solids. Similar to English a piece of, but emphasizes the chunk shape more. English comparison. 一块蛋糕 a piece of cake. 一块石头 a rock. 一块钱 $1. Number 9, shuāng. Logic is that, used for items that come in pairs and are used together. The logic is identical to the English a pair of. Let's see English comparison. 一双鞋 a pair of shoes. 一双筷子 a pair of chopsticks. Number 10, 些. Logic is that, used to indicate an indefinite amount, meaning some. Let's see English comparison. 一些人 some people. 一些水果 some fruit. Core logic summary. When learning Chinese measure words, try to think in images that, when you think of an animal and an independent image appears in your mind, then use zhi. Think of a road and a long strip appears in your mind, then use tiáo. Think of paper and a flat surface appears in your mind, then use zhāng.
Simple mnemonic rhyme for people and animals.
Use zhi. For long bendy things, use tiáo. For flat things, use zhāng.
If you don't know, just use ge. This is secret.
In this way, you'll find that Chinese measure words make the language much more vivid and visual.